All right, first of all, this top section up here should all be filled in. You should have used the key to fill that in. If you didn't, then you need to pause the video, get the key, and then fill it in first. Make sure you're reading as you fill all this in. Second, you only need to watch this video if you want this bottom part read to you, because there's just a bunch of words, and I know sometimes that just hearing it is better than reading it. So if you're fine with just reading it, then you can turn this video off, read it to yourself, and do what's next on your agenda. But if you want it read to you, then keep watching. So, line of best fit. It says, usually in data collection, there is no single line that passes through all your data points. So you try to find the line that best fits that data. The line hopefully passes through some points, but it might pass through none of them. And that's okay. It is possible that you could draw a line of best fit through a set of data points, and someone else could draw a line that's different through the same set of points. Both answers are considered correct as long as your calculations are correct for the points that you choose and the line follows a few guidelines. First, you must draw your line through as many points of your data set as possible. Second, you want to try and get an equal number of data points above your line as you have below your line. Number 3, we're going to ignore any outliers. Outliers are those numbers that are really far away from the rest of your data. So if most of your data is around like 50, 51, 53, 48, and then you have one that says 100, that's an outlier. And fourth, your line follows the trend of your data, or it follows the slope. So kind of going back up here, if you have a strong positive slope, but you draw a line that's negative, well, that doesn't follow your trend. Once you have a line, you need to find the equation for that line using your point slope form that you just learned in 6-1, and then convert that to slope intercept form that you learned back in Unit 5. There's examples on the next page that will guide you through how to do this. It has step-by-step instructions before you need to practice some on your own. So now, go back to your agenda and see what's next.